Hey, I'm Deputy Lynn, San Jose County Sheriff's Office. I wanted to make your acquaintance. My lieutenant here told me she stopped you for 95 and a 65. Does that sound about right?
Yeah, but I was following the car in front of me. I don't understand. Like,
well, then y'all were both doing 95 and a 65.
I don't know.
Your speedometer work?
Just now, it says 65 is speed.
Okay. Did your speedometer work okay?
Yeah, it was working. But I was
What did it say you were doing?
I was just keeping up with traffic, and I didn't even.
So when you were keeping up with traffic, what did it say you were doing speed-wise? Did you look at it?
I didn't look. I swear to God.
Okay, all right. No worries.
With the flow.
I got you. Hey, do me a favor. Would you mind step out with me real quick and talk to me in front of her car over here? What's up, Demore? How you doing, man?
Am I going to jail or something?
No, just come over here and talk to me.
Okay.
You got shoes on? Okay, you got shoes on. I'll make sure you want to stand on this hot asphalt. Hey, listen, is there anything in that vehicle I need to know about? Any marijuana hit, methamphetamine, crack cocaine, acid, ecstasy, LSD?
No.
There's nothing in there. Why am I smelling the odor of marijuana coming out of your vehicle?
I don't know.
Okay, has there been marijuana in there?
I just rented it earlier.
Hold up. Stop.
I just rented it earlier.
Where's the marijuana at inside the vehicle?
I don't know.
I'm going to give you one opportunity to be honest with me before I take you to jail for possession of marijuana.
Take me to jail.
Listen to me.
Don't.
Listen to me. I'm telling you there's marijuana inside the vehicle because I can smell it. Okay, do you have a medical marijuana card?
No, it was just a pin.
Listen to me. There we go. Now we're being honest. Okay, so listen to me. Where's the pin at inside the vehicle?
I have it in my purse. I can grab it real quick.
I don't want you to grab it real quick. I'm going to get it in just a second, but I'm going to search the remainder of that car. Am I going to find anything else in there you shouldn't have on any? I'm right here. Listen to me. Am I going to find anything in there you shouldn't have? Marijuana, methamphetamine, crack, cocaine, acid, ecstasy, LSD. I'm asking you to be honest with me because I'm going to search the car. Hold up and stop shit. Don't walk into traffic.
I'm not.
Do me a favor, girl. Stand on this grass right here.
I just got a blunt in the car, okay?
Now we got a blunt and a pin.
That's it. That's the two things. You can check.
Well, you told me that was it just a second ago when you said just a pin.
I know, but I didn't. I'm just scared. I'm just trying to bring my kids do something for their birthday, and it was just...
How do you say your name?
Barisha,
let's start over with each other, okay? Because you haven't been honest with me yet, all right? I don't want to take you to jail. I don't
want to go to jail.
So listen to me right now, then. Listen to me right now. Let's start over and let's be honest with each other. Barisha, how you doing? I'm Deputy Lynn, San Jose County Sheriff's Office. I smell marijuana coming from inside your vehicle. Do you have a medical marijuana license?
No.
Okay, so is there marijuana inside your vehicle?
Yes.
Okay, where's the marijuana at inside your vehicle?
I got it in the thing. It's in the the little console. That's it.
Okay, what kind of marijuana product is it that we're talking about in the console?
It's just a rolled blunt. That's it.
Just a rolled blunt?
Yes.
What about the pin you were just telling me about?
Before I left, and I was just bringing it to where I was going, and that's it, the pin.
Okay. So a pin and a blunt. That's what we got in there?
That's it.
I'm not going to find any raw in there. I'm not going to find no bud.
Anything else. There's
not going to find no pills you shouldn't have in there?
No. Swear to God. I can grab everything.
Whose little kids are these in the back seat?
Mine.
Why aren't they buckled up?
The two girls were sharing the buckle, and then we just...
Why you got two of them sharing one buckle?
This is what they rented me. I didn't know.
Okay. How many people you got in there total? I see you got the Maureen in front, and who's in the back?
The 4 kids in the back. We're 15 minutes from my sister's house. We were staying there.
Okay. All right. Have you ever been in trouble with law before?
No.
Are you on papers, probation, community control, anything like that?
No, sir. You can run my name. I haven't gotten in trouble.
Then listen to me. This is just as simple as this. If all you've got in there is a little bit of a blunt, and you got a little bit of a pin, listen to me. Stop interrupting me. If that's all you got in there is a little bit of a pin and a little bit of a blunt, not an entirely huge deal.
No.
Now, this deputy, she might write you a citation for the speed or something like that, but listen to what I'm telling you.
Okay.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to search that vehicle.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir. I'll grab it for you.
I need the little ones to step out. We can have them stand in the grass over here, but let's say... Come here. I didn't tell you to walk away yet.
I'm sorry, my anxiety's thrown off.
I'm not trying to throw your anxiety off. I want you to listen to me for a second.
I'm sorry.
I'm trying to kind of put your anxiety at ease.
I know.
Do the little ones have shoes they can wear because there's fire ants and whatnot?
Yes.
So let's put some tennis shoes or whatever we got on them.
Okay.
Let's have them stand in the grass, but I don't want them to get eaten up by bugs, okay? So put the shoes on them first, okay? You got shoes on? All right, cool, man. Step on out for me, Demorian. Come stand back here by my lieutenant for me, Demorian. Come stand right back here. Y'all got shoes on? All right, put your shoes on. I don't want you to get bitten up by no fire ants or nothing, all right? She got brass knuckles for?
It was a present. It was like 5 years ago.
It's a present that's considered a concealed weapon. Yeah. Can't have brass knuckles in Florida. Hey, Demore. Go ahead and turn around for me, man.
It's not his stuff. It's not.
I want you to. You hold this.
Mine.
Turn around.
It's the bag was
mine. Behind your back for me.
The bag was mine.
Just hang tight. It looks nice.
So Demore, I'm putting you in handcuffs right now, bud, because you got a warrant out of Louisiana.
Warrant?
What? What happened?
Hold up, listen to me. I'm going to explain it to you. Don't pull away from me, though. You'll wind up on the ground. You got a warrant out of Louisiana for ag assault. Was it ag assault? Was that what they said? Okay. Ag assault. We'll clear up in just a second.
What he said?
Hang on 1 second. Back up for me.
What happened? What did he do? I can hear you.
We'll explain in just a minute.
I'll explain it in just a second. He's got a warrant out of Louisiana. I believe they said ag assault, but I'll double check on that.
Ag assault? What's that?
Aggravated assault.
That's just what it sounds like, aggravated assault. Yeah, you can kind of say it that way. Don't worry, I'm going to let you have a seat in the back of my car, which means...
He got a ticket or something?
No, it means he caught a criminal charge.
Yeah, but, like, how did he get...
Has he been in trouble with law enforcement in Louisiana?
I don't know. He
don't tell you nothing?
No, he bounces back and forth with his friends and his...
Well, I'm here to tell you then. The Morgan got in some trouble, it sounds like, in Louisiana, and he's got a warrant for his arrest for aggravated assault. I'm going to look at the exact specifics of that in just a second when I can look at the exact specifics of that. But meanwhile, we're going to deal with what we got sitting on your rooftop.
I know.
And I'm going to come back and get you some more information in just a second, okay? Stand by.
Yes, sir.
Hey.
What's going on here? Why are they searching the car?
Okay, who are you?
I'm here. Don't worry.
Who are you?
It's been... No.
1031 Pembroke High, Florida.
All right, why are they searching her car?
Okay, you're not involved in this, so I need you to go back to your vehicle. I need you to go back to her vehicle.
2023 last year. Probable cause.
Okay. Go back to your vehicle or you can go to jail.
No, it's illegal.
Go back to your vehicle.
No, it's not. Go back to your car.
Go back to your car.
Go in handcuffs and go to jail.
Betty, just
Return to
go.
your car.
All right, just know it is illegal.
This is your last...
Go back to your car.
Remember that.
If you come back out here, I will take you to jail.
For what?
All right.
Betty should just go,
No, come
please. No, please.
You're going to jail.
Betty,
Put your
please
hands behind your
don't. I
back.
don't have Lewis's number. You're good. Don't end that video. They're illegally searching your car. Last year it was passed. Any smell of anything is not a probable cause to search a vehicle. And I got a lot of money to play. I will sue.
You are now under arrest. You are now under arrest for obstructing justice.
Obstructing justice? But
Yes,
did I
you
walk
are.
up and do it? I'm here to pick
Yes,
up the
you did.
kids.
Doesn't matter.
I'm here to get the
You're
kids.
going to jail. Somebody else is going to have to get the kids. Hey, LT,
I need my
do you have
stuff.
Cage?
I need my stuff.
You pull away from me. One time you're going on the ground. Do not pull away from
I
me.
didn't pull away from you, officer.
You're pulling away from me right now.
I need my phone, please. My keys.
173.
Make sure the video does not end. I'm recording for my safety. I'm recording
You got
for
none
my
coming?
safety.
I need another with a cage. I don't want to put them in the same one.
23, we need another unit.
So I'm under arrest for not even stepping 10 foot near you?
No, you're within 10 feet. You were in her face.
You know I have a video?
You're going to jail.
And I have it all on video.
That's excellent. So do I.
Okay. Can we just...
No.
Please?
No, I gave her fair warning several times.
I've never even approached you. I was nowhere near you,
I told you
officer.
back up multiple times.
I was never near you.
You're going to jail.
Let's go. Illegally searching her car. You do realize that
Sister, you need
probable
to study
cause...
up on your statutes.
Pull it up right now on your phone.
I'm not arguing it with you right now.
Call up higher up. Ask them.
That is a higher up. She's a lieutenant.
So she would know that it's illegal. In the state of Florida, you cannot search a vehicle with probable cause anymore.
You have no idea what you're talking about. Hey, y'all stand back over there by that car for me,
They
please.
have the kids, guys. The kids out on side of the highway. I'm here to pick up the kids. No,
Give me your phone.
My phone is here to record my
Give me your phone.
You are not. You know you're not allowed to take that. You know
Yeah, I am, because you're going to jail. Sorry, hold that. Give me your keys. You're going to jail for obstructing justice.
I have
told
it
you
all on
multiple
video,
times to
ma'am.
back
I never
up.
even stood near him. I know. Ma'am, I am scared for my life and I would like to record this. I am scared for my life. I never even got 10 foot near him. All I did was walk up and ask, why are they searching the
I'm
car?
sorry, can you say none?
I can show you the video.
It's not your business.
That has been confirmed. They will extradite you.
Here are the kids.
26. Show me 1015 on him, but I got one more detained. I'm going to get you some 14 in just a second.
Okay, the highway.
Sorry, can I walk over to your car? Is that all right?
I would like my...
Oh, you got somebody back? Okay.
Can I please have
I just want to put them together. I I put them together. I don't know their relationship to each other.
That's my sister, and I'm here to pick up the kids. I have
That's
it all
her
on
sister,
video.
that's her
I did
son.
not.
This would be, yeah.
Well,
All right, let's go for a walk.
I like my belongings.
Let's go
I
for a
have to
walk.
turn off my emergency lights. Can't you see? I have to turn everything off.
Are you going to keep pushing against me and wind up on the ground?
listen to the deputy.
Now,
my truck.
do you have anything on you that's going to get you in trouble when you get to jail?
No.
Sorry, do you want to search her for me?
Don't even have a record, and you're doing all of this.
You did this. You walked up on us and refused to leave.
Fucking us. I asked her a question on what was going on, and you harassed me.
Do you have anything on you that's going to poke me?
No, ma'am. I cannot wait for this case. This is about to be a moneymaker for me. I got lots of petty money. This is insane. Arresting someone with zero charges, anything.
That doesn't mean you're not committing a crime currently.
We have it on video.
I know we do.
Yeah, I
Got it
never
on
said.
several body
You
cameras.
walked up to me
She good?
and grabbed me.
Do you have a bra on?
No, it's the waist trainer. Can I please turn off the lights on my vehicle?
Yeah, we'll take care of that. Go ahead and sit down for me. Watch your head when you step in. Hey, Maureen, step back out with me.
Can you help me?
So, yeah, swing your feet around. No, look. Twist around. Your feet got to come first. All right. So here's the deal. They confirmed your warrant. Here. Yep. I'm going to pull your foot right here. There you go. They confirmed your warrant, so they are going to extradite. So at this point, I'm going to empty your pockets of whatever you got on you, okay? Just chill out, man. It's all right. All right, look. You got 4 coins in your pocket right there. That's going to go with that cash that you had on you. I'm a dog ear out your pockets.
It's crazy.
It is crazy, isn't it?
Yeah.
1 more coin. That's a total of 5 coins along with the paper money you got in the front. No more, nothing else on you?
No, sir.
Nothing's going to get you in trouble when you're introduced into the jail? Anything in your shoes?
No, look,
I ain't going to make you come over here, man. There's ants out here, but if you want to, I'm just giving you the opportunity to be honest. Step away from me. All right, slip them back on if you can. Best you can. So you're going to be placed under arrest and you're going to go to jail today for your warrant out of Louisiana. You don't have any charges with me.
Tell me, what is the...
I'm going to explain to you in just a second as soon as I get a chance, okay? I'm going to sit down, I'm going to look at the screen. You and I are looking together. You and I are going to look at the screen together here in just a second, okay? Watch your head when you step in, okay? So this is what you're losing today, okay?
That's fine.
Listen to me.
I'm sorry.
Please don't interrupt. Remember you told me earlier you had 1 stick blunt.
Yes.
You got 2. You told me earlier you had 1 pen. You got 5.
Didn't know that was in.
You didn't know you had 5 in there?
No, not the extras.
And listen, to be honest with you, that one's in the Morin's bag. He could be going to jail for it. You know. So let me
charged, sir.
let me explain something. How that works. Let me explain something to you. This right here, that little bit of dab oil in there, I don't care what they call it in Louisiana, it's a felony here in the state of Florida.
Okay.
DeMorin, more than anybody, should know that. This is a felony in the state of Florida. Any quantity of THC oil concentrate is a felony. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 counts. 5 counts of a 3rd-degree felony. Listen to me. You're looking at 5 counts of a 3rd-degree felony, possession of controlled substance.
Okay.
Possession of marijuana, that's a misdemeanor in the state of Florida.
Okay.
I'm not going to take you to jail for any of it because I'm not trying to take you to jail.
Okay, thank you.
That wasn't my intention from the very get-go. Like I told you when I first started talking to you back in the car, what did I say?
I was scared at first. I'm sorry.
I said, listen, if you just got marijuana products, we're fine with it. We're not fine with it. We're going to seize them, but we're fine with it. You ain't going to go to jail, right? Did I tell you that? And so I'm a man of my word. I'm not going to take you to jail for marijuana products. To include THC oil, no, I could. Again, that's 5 counts of a 3rd-degree felony right there. Possession of controlled substance. You told me you don't have a medical marijuana card. That's where we're at. Okay? So, this is where we're at on that. You're going to lose these products today. Okay? Take a good look at them.
That's fine.
That way you don't say Deputy Lynn stole my joints from me. Okay? These are the items you're losing today. You're not going to get these back and put them in for destruction. Like I told you, I'm not going to charge you with them. That's why I told you to get go.
Okay.
Now, your friend, sister, what is she to you?
My sister.
She's your sister. Your sister's going to go to jail today. Because she's obstructing justice. Whose car is that? That's my question
Her
for you.
husband and her.
Okay. Is there somebody around who can get that car for her?
Louis, our husband, he's 15 minutes away.
Okay.
That's where we was
Do
headed.
you have his phone number?
No, I'd have to ask her.
Okay. So I'm going to let you call Louis to come get the vehicle. Otherwise, I'm going to have to tow it. Because he can't sit here on the side of the road.
Yes, sir.
And I don't want to tow her pretty purple Cadillac over there.
Yes, sir.
All right? So Lewis needs to come, get the vehicle. We'll address that in just a second.
Okay.
You have any questions for me so far?
No, sir.
DeMorian, his warrant is confirmed. It's confirmed. They're going to pick him back up and they're going to send him back to Louisiana, where he's going to address whatever he's got going on his warrant. I'm going to review that here on my computer in just a second and get the exact specifics of it.
The woman was charged with resisting arrest.